Guys, please make sure you stand till the end. One common mistake that people often make can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Life. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Chevy Tahoe or Chevy Suburban, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2020. If you guys have one of those, if you need to find where the EVAP system, also known as Evaporative Emission Control System, fuses and relays are located, where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts and tools, that way do not waste money and time. Why guys, it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stand till the end. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them guys completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork guys, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays as well guys. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Guys, we have more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. We'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So guys, now for the EVAP system, Evaporative Emission Control System, which fuses and relays we need to check, we will demonstrate on this generation Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Suburban right here. Both of these models are built on the same platform, with the main difference Chevy Tahoe being a little bit shorter, so it should work for both. And guys, there will be 5 different hidden fuse boxes in that SUV that most people do not know where they're located. That's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Suburban Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out. What you guys need to do now, we need to go ahead and open the hood on your Chevy Tahoe, and once you guys open the hood, we will face the engine on the right side. This is the driver's side, that's the main engine fuse box. Open that cover and you're going to find the fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Here guys, let's zoom in and show you. There is very limited information about that, but stay with us, we'll explain how we can test EVAP systems, how to fix EVAP codes. So what we have here now, first we need to guys check all your engine management fuses, because there is not information exactly which fuse it is, but check all of them. First one is fuse 74 here, then you go to 87, 88, 89, 90, 91. These 5 fuses in a row. Relay 92, fuse 100, 101, and 102, which is actually a double 15 amp fuse. That's known as a micro 3-blade fuse. That could be super hard to find or super overpriced fuse. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. Now, if you want to see what most likely causes EVAP codes, how to test purge control valve, how to fix code P0455 or P0456, we'll have videos on our YouTube channels that will teach you guys how to fix all of that. So guys, I want to show you now something. Okay, check this thing out. You have all different kinds of fuses. Fuses, relays, circuit breakers, something that could be really hard to find, and if you're in the middle of nowhere, you don't have a replacement one, you may end up being stuck guys in the middle of nowhere, or they can be seriously overpriced. So what we do, we usually buy some spare ones, we put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.